I just wanted to pick up the camera and officially open the vlog. It took me a while to open this vlog because after going through comments and stuff, and you know, you have your positive comments and then you have your negative stuff. When you have someone negativity flowing into your life, it takes a minute to process all of that, and then once you process it, you have to figure out how to let it out. So all this week I've been listening to, you know, reggae, R&B, whatever, no gospel, nothing, stuff that usually, you know, keep me sane. So this morning I couldn't play anything that was just not feeding my soul. I had to feed my soul all the positivity that I could, and I'm gonna list a song that I just found. It's by I can't remember, I can't pronounce her name, but it's the title of her song is called The Breakup Song. I don't know if you guys, it's by Francesca, could be butchering her name, but that's the song. It's called A Breakup Song. And
like me, anybody out there, anybody needing fear to leave. Oh yeah. If you don't know how to.
So I love that song. That was the last song that I listened to before I got home, and I was just like, cause I was gonna clap back. There were a few comments that I got that was just like, really, you kind of like overstepping your boundaries a bit. But then I was like, you know what? Just let it go. Just let it go. The Bible says, love those that hate you and pray for those that something. Don't get me over here quoting Bible scriptures that doesn't even exist. So I did get a snapshot of my Bible history, and it says, where is it? I'm not gonna be too long opening up this vlog, but if you can see, if you look at it, I have 341 days in the app and 48 perfect week, meaning that every single day when I wake up, the first thing I do is open my Bible and read the verse of the day. That's the first thing I do. You know what I mean? So I'm happy. Yay for me. 2018 was a success. 2019 should be even better. I should have more highlights in my Bible. And what else? I want to do more plans and stuff like that. So anyways, welcome to the vlog. I hope each and every one of you are doing okay. Thank you guys so much for your positivity, for everyone that's taking the time out to like and comment in my video, something that I can take away each and every day. And I'm enjoying VlOGMAS, and I hope you guys are doing the same. Welcome to the video, guys. I'm about to set up this advent calendar. I had it since last year, and it was like 50 bucks. I paid 50 bucks for it. I think it was 50 bucks with some percentage off. I don't think I paid 50 bucks. I don't think I'm that crazy. So I'm about to set it up with all these stuff in it. And then, so we already went through 6 days already. So when they get home, they'll just open those, and then we'll go from there. You want to stuff the candy in it? Yeah? Alright. Turn it up. Yeah, we gotta go 25, 24, right here. 23. I'll put it there. Right here. 23. 22. 21. 20. 19. 18. 17, 16, 15, 14, 14, put it right here. Good girl, put it here. Good job. 13, 12, put it here. Oh, did you poop? Oh, you stink. No, not funny, you stink. 11, 10. Okay, so it's all ready. So when they come home, all they have to do is do 1 through the 6. So it'll be like Maddie, Jackson, Destiny, Jason, Jordan, and then Maddie. I don't know. We need 1 egg. We got flour, we got sugar, we got the butter. Get ready to bake some
1 egg.
Some Christmas cookies.
Yeah.
While I'm making the dough. What are you doing? Get your little butt back over here.
That was not milk. I think that's about right.
Oof.
So guys, this is our whole container of cookie cutters. We went crazy. And there's more in there. Here's Christmas and then there's more in here. Here's the Christmas tree we used.
Yeah, we used that the last time. Okay, we need a bowl for the egg.
We need a bowl for the
We
egg.
need to crack the egg in a bowl.
How about this one?
No, just a small bowl.
This is
Come
flour.
crack the egg.
This flour.
Alright.
Okay, I think that's enough. No,
It's cracked. It's cracked. Whoa! It's okay. Good
I
job.
think this is their first time.
Good job.
You squeeze it. You need to.
All right,
put
hold
your
it.
thumb
Put your hand under it and walk it to the trash can.
So you crack it once. Crack
Is there
it
any
twice,
eggs
crack it
thing in there? No. You can whip it. Where's the vanilla? Ew! Ew! Did you just lick your hand? No, baby, don't do that. You will get sick. Wash your hands, Daddy. All right, you're gonna measure out one tablespoon
Of what?
of vanilla.
No. Where do you want me to put it in?
The egg.
Can I pour it in? Yeah. Wait, no, because I'm holding it already.
All right.
You can do something else with mommy.
All right. Get the stool, Gia.
Jacket.
All
Oh,
right.
that looks like caramel.
You're gonna take the butter and you're gonna peel it and drop it in here. Don't touch it, okay? Just peel it. Yeah, peel it, and then once you see it open up like that, you're gonna hold one end like this, and then you're gonna drop it and just shake it until it falls off.
Baking cookies.
You got it? Good job. Now you do the other one. For now, I'm just gonna knead the dough until it all comes together.
So these are the cookie cutters. I don't know if we're gonna use all of them, but the ones I really like are these, the detailed ones, all over there and right here. These, we used them last time, but this one we didn't. So these are the cookie cutters. This one, where Maddie took away, is a Santa hat. This one right here is a stocking. And then right here is a mitten, a Christmas tree with a bottom, a gingerbread man, or a gingerbread girl. Maddie, stop. And then, Jackson, stop. A Christmas tree again. And then we have a little snowman. And then Maddie took something away. And oh gosh. A snowman's head. And then we have a wreath. Another stocking, but it's tinier, which I think we're going to use. Then this one is a Santa. I don't think you can see. And then a candy cane, or is that a J? I don't know. And then a tiny snowman. Tiny. And then we have a reindeer. Maddie, get off the table. So these are the cookie cutters. Oh gosh. So these are the cookie cutters we're gonna use. It's very. This one I really like, so I think we're gonna use it.
Like this.
And then this one, and then that one.
And this, and this, and this.
Okay. Maddie, get on the table. So we'll see you when we cut the cookies, or they're coming. Bye.
Alright, so the dough, I rolled it out. It's not as firm as I like it, but it's firm enough. So we're gonna go ahead and
Do that one first.
cut the cookies out.
Preheat
It's done.
Yeah.
So we got like 3 shapes ready.
Hot.
Whenever we bake cookies,
It's hot.
we get tiny little
Is it
straps
hot?
and roll it up.
Is it cold? Is it cool?
Whenever
You
we
wanna
bake
try it?
cookies,
Is it good? Try it.
Can I try it?
Bite it. Oh, it's still hot. Is it hot?
Mommy, how are we gonna cook this?
She said, her reaction.
Mommy, can I
Is it good?
Travis.
Thank you.
It's so nice.
Mommy, can I have one?
Is it cool? We gotta wait for it to cool. These didn't turn out so good because the dough wasn't quite ready.
No, Maddie, you should get a new one.
No, we don't touch food we're not going to eat. Here, this is yours. Okay, well you can't touch the other ones because these are for other people. Good girl. Eat yours. Is it good? Caught you. I caught you. You like them? Let's show them yours. Oh no, you already. Is it good, mommy? Yes. Daddy took it. He took yours. She's pointing. She's telling on someone. Oh man, what is this?
Marker.
Where did you get marker? Want Papa? Give me a butt. Give me a butt. Give me a butt. Give me a butt.
Tiny little balls
And we
or
eat them.
rectangles, and then you bake them with the other rest of them, and then you eat it.
Yeah, I was going to cook the cookies in.
next batch is done. Anyways, guys, that's it for Christmas cookies. That's how I made my sugar cookies. And they go through those like no tomorrow. I'm gonna go clean up my kitchen and get these kiddos off to bed. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a sunshine. And we will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.